Annyeonghaseyo, Kinshin. Good morning.
Annyeonghaseyo, good morning.
So, today, August 25 to September 25 for your another 30 days. So, karon my first day na po nimo mo receive og 50 pesos from Chocomining.
So, kuminim, kamsamida.
Kamsahamnida. So, another 30 days na sa eskwela taron jud na. Keep fighting.
Fighting.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Carl John.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So for today, we will have a reading test. And if you pass, then you will move as a level 2 student. Did you understand?
Yes.
So let's start.
Funny Makmak. Makmak is a black crow. She is a funny crow. Makmak likes to go to the well. She likes to run around the well. Ted says Makmak run around the well. Ted yells, Makmak, don't run around the well. Makmak falls into the well. Oh no, she can't swim. That what to do? What to do? Ted gets a big net. He gets Makmak out of the well. That's good. Makmak is wet but happy. Ted is happy too.
So starting tomorrow, you will be a level 2 student. So congrats. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. 감사합니다.
Annyeonghaseyo, Gretchen.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, good morning, Gretchen. Are you willing? Are you want to go to level 2 already? Are you excited? Okay, before you will go to level 2, I will let you read first a story. And did you already understand? Are you already understand about English words? Okay, you read first. Billing the cat.
Building the cat. Once there was a big warehouse full of rice bags. Many rats lived there and ruined the grains. The owner was tired of finding ways to keep the rats away. So he bought a cat and left it in the warehouse. The cat would silently play around and chase the rats away. The rats were terrified and decided to have a meeting. They gathered together one evening at a secluded place and started their discussion. They were very confused and couldn't think of any solution to stop the cat. Suddenly, one of the rats said, "We should tie a bell around the cat's neck. If we tie a bell around the cat's neck, we can hear the sounds of the bell when the cat comes this way. We would be alert."
Okay. Okay, you already know how to read English words, and now you understand what you have read. Sabta sa ang imuhang gibasa. Binisaya. Unsa na? Belling the cat. Okay.
Naadoy dako nga warehouse puno og kanon nga sod. Then daghan daw ilaga nagpuyo din iladang gib uba ang mga grains. Ang tag-iya kay gikapoy na daw sa pangita sa mga ilaga. Then nagkuha siya iring, then iyang gibilin sa warehouse niya. Ang ilaga kay naginom-inom, then nagtuwa sa asa, then iyang gipandako pa mga ilaga.
Very good.
Ang ilaga kay nadlok sila, then nag-decide sila na sila meeting.
Okay. Very good na. Okay na. Okay, Rachel. you already now level 2, but we will wait first the confirmation of teacher Vivian and Sir Vicky, ha? Okay. Before ka mo ato kuan, magkwat sa ata og confirmation kung okayhan makanila nga level 2 na ka, okay? Okay, thank you, Rachel. Bye-bye.
Goose that laid the golden eggs. A man and his wife had a good fortune to possess a goose which laid a golden egg every day. They soon began to think they were not getting rich fast enough, and imagining the bird must be made of gold inside, they decided to kill it to get all precious metal at once. But when they cut it open, they found it was just like any other goose. Thus they neither got rich all at once as they had hoped, nor enjoyed any longer that daily addition to their wealth.
Okay, very good. Now, are you understand what your read?
Yes.
Nakasabot ba mo sa inyohang gibasa? Okay. Who can translate to Bisaya? Okay, try, Rachel.
The goose that laid the golden eggs. Ang laki ang asawa niya kay hindot daw ang fortune sa poses sa goose.
Which laid a golden egg every day. Ansam na. Ansam pasabot na.
Laid nga golden nga itlog taga-adlaw. Dayon lugayan ni nagsugod sa
Huna-huna.
nauna madato pa sila dali. And
Imagining the bird.
na ang
Bird.
birthday kaya ginuo daw sa bawang sugod.
Ang ilahang maitlog kuno kay gold. Muna ila imagination. Sige.